What up, HVAC people? Better head to the Dewalt store. Most of all my power tools Dewalt. I just like pretty much I can use the batteries every time. But I'm gonna try to make a quick video, get some footage inside the store. See, that's a good thing about working in a city like Houston. I think we got advantage over most cities, especially most small cities, because we got all the factories and the manufacturers here. We got all the Goodman manufacturers for our AC unit. We got all the we got Train manufacturers, a couple of them. York. Is it a York? I'm not sure about York, but we got a York dealer. So I mean, pretty much every tool you want though is easy to get. Get it a little cheaper. I don't know if they'll let me record or not, but I can go right. Go from 8 to 5. They used to have a bunch of tools, used tools here that you can buy. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, like right here. See, like this one right here. This is what I need. Cause I'm gonna see how much I can get that one for, and they work good. Let's see what else they got up in here. I got plenty of them, but I'm tired of swapping out my truck, so I'm gonna leave one in my personal truck and put one in my work truck. That's all I have. Yeah, they got everything here. How y'all doing? Bunch of blades. All the bits. Good price. Need me a grinder too. That's what I need right here. See, look at that, $45. Man, this one brand. No, that's 18 volt though. I don't want an 18 volt. Hey, how much is 20 volt? 20 volt is right here. $69.99. And how much a new case for?
Oh, for the housing?
Yeah, the housing.
Usually range between
about $8 then.
Nah, they're like 12, between 12 and 18. Yeah.
Okay.
It just depends.
They must have went up because I bought the housing for $8 one time.
Yeah. Because that might be. Does yours have the switch? Has a little switch right here, or is it just like that?
No, it don't.
Then it might be one. It might be in that range then.
Yeah. How much?
Yeah, they go through the whole tool. They've been repaired. Like the customers, they don't come pick them up.
How much that one is?
Same price.
Same price.
Yeah, it looks like the same unit.
Yeah.
86. Yeah. Same model.
Yeah, this one look better in better shape. Yeah, I go with this.
That one looks. You see, they may have put a new switch or new motor on it.
Got some nice stuff in here.
The other day we found out that on the compressors, not compressors,
Oh, look at that blower right there. Good weed eater. I'm gonna end this video though, cause they got some nice stuff in here though. So if y'all ever in Houston, just swing by here. Cause the ones at Home Depot. All right, pretty much brand new drill.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right here they did a
90-day
yeah,
warranty.
yeah, motor and module. So it's
Motor and module.
yeah. See what on these new ones on the brushless, the switch and the motor are all one piece.
Okay.
So if you change the switch, you have to change the motor. If you change the motor, you gotta change the switch.
Oh,
Together.
okay.
So yeah, you shouldn't have any issues with it. But if you do, definitely bring it back within the 90 days, and we'll take care of it under.
My man. Can't beat that.
Yeah,
Yep.
we'll make it right.
Got all my info.
Yep.
Yep.
And that's yours.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir.
But it only takes.
All right. Can't beat that. $62 for a drill. You got another one in there. You better come get it. It's pretty much brand new. 90-day warranty. Yeah, I like coming here though, but I ain't got